Hi, my name is Raka. Welcome back to Simitar channel. In this video, I'm going to show you another IMS application that we have just designed and implemented. We call it IVR PMA 800 service. This service is to be deployed for and operated by a telco company. The basic idea is to provide this service to subscribers of that telco company. The target market is quite specific. Those who run a small or medium-sized business would like to set up their own simple IVR without having to invest too much on the infrastructure. All they have to do is create an account in the service. Then they will have an access to a web-based interface which they can use to define the structure of their IVR. It's quite a simple tree structure which is easy to understand for most of the target users. So this tree structure starts from main menu, and the main menu will have several subnodes which can be either submenu or call transfer instruction or message playing instructions. One typical use of this kind of application is to give a structured directory-like access to contact persons inside the company. Now I'm going to show you the web application. It's a wireframe web application. It doesn't look pretty. I use it mainly during development time to access directly the web service in the back end that provides various methods, mostly for managing and configuring the services. I've already registered an account for the phone number 666-2050. For that account, I've also created a service that I named Service Demo. Let's verify if the account exists. Here it is. The definition of an account is quite simple as of now. It only has phone number attribute. Now, let's check the service associated with that account, whose status is active. I'm going to invoke the method getActiveService. So, here's the descriptor of the active service for 666-2050. The name is Service Demo. You can see it has various attributes. The greeting message, blacklist message, which is optional, I didn't specify it, queue message, out of service hour message, and the dialog tree. Here you see a dialog tree that starts from main menu. This main menu has 4 children. The first 2 are submenus, one for sales department and the other one is for the engineering department. The third and fourth child of the main menu is a message play instruction. Each node in a dialog tree except the root has to have a DTMF associated with it. Here you see the sales department menu has its DTMF attribute set to 1. That means if the caller press 1 in the main menu, she will be taken to the submenu 1. That will play a message saying, press 1 to transfer to Bob, press 2 to transfer to Alice. Alright, I think that's all the explanation I can provide for now. Let's go straight to the demo calls. Here I have 2 SIPs of phones running on my development workstation. I also have Sailfin SIP server container that hosts the applications, and a media server that can execute voice XML pages. I'm using Fox Pilot. You've reached the end of part 1 of 3 of this video presentation. Please click on the link on YouTube to go to the next part.